Good day, guys. Welcome back to this channel. Now, to those of you that are yet to subscribe, make sure you please and please click on the subscribe button, like, share, make your comments. Also, I'll be putting the link to our Telegram channel in the comment section. So make sure you go to the comment section. You will click the link to our Telegram channel. Follow us on Telegram because it's important. And if you are not yet on Telegram, I would advise you to open one because there we'll be putting out some trade idea, some one or two things we would love to be looking out for in the markets, right? You definitely do not want to miss out. So make sure you follow us on Telegram. Now let's see this GBP JPY. We can see that this is a major level here, which is the resistance level, which I've highlighted. At first, markets came, tested this level, we had a drop, right? Now, markets came again, we tested this level, we had a drop, then all of a sudden, it started dropping. If you can remember, like I said, I told you guys that we'll be expecting more drop. Now that markets now eventually, drop and give us a double bottom here, you can see it here, right? Let me zoom it in properly. This is one rejection here. This is another rejection. This is nothing but a double bottom. Guess what? Market eventually broke out of this trend line. That means our bias has now changed on GBP JPY. Our bias has now changed, meaning we would now expect this movement to this our resistance level. Now that markets came to this resistance level, a lot of people were selling here, no doubt about that. Guess what happened? Markets eventually pushed up and took out their stop loss. Now, market has now given us a pullback. With what I'm saying, GBPJPY should continue the movement to the upside. But if in case GBPJPY drops and take out this lows, which I don't think it will, I doubt if it will do that, right? I strongly doubt that GBPJPY will just drop and take out this lows because my projection is still to the upside. My forecast is still to the upside. But if in case it drops, then our bias to the upside will now be cancelled. We will now start expecting more drop. You all know in forex when we are trying to predict a certain movement and it does not go that way, then we need to change our bias. We all know that our bias needs to be flexible, that's it. So our bias on JPY is still to the upside, so expect more movement to the upside. But if in case you see GBPJPY drops and it eventually take out these lows, then definitely expect more sales to this support level on GBPJPY. So like I said, personally, I'm expecting a movement to the upside. If it does not give us that way and it changes direction, no problem, go ahead and sell more. So make sure you follow us on Telegram. You will find the link to the Telegram channel in the comment section.